Hey guys, so while I am letting my hair set, I thought I would show you how to make a beard oil that was featured on my blog. All right, so here are the things that you're gonna need. You will need a 2-ounce dropper bottle. You're also going to need apricot oil, which is really good. I don't have any of that currently, or jojoba oil, which is the recipe on my blog. So I have vitamin E oil, so I'm just going to substitute that for jojoba oil. You'll need Northern Lights black spruce, lavender, tea tree oil, almond oil. And you can get the labels, you can download the labels from the blog. So you're going to add 20 drops of jojoba oil, and then 10 drops of the Northern Lights black spruce, which smells so good. It makes you feel like you're in the middle of a big forest with lots of hardy trees. And then lavender, which is great for moisturizing your skin. And then tea tree oil is going to be really good to just heal any cuts and just keep everything clean and healthy in the area. So when you have those all in the bottle, go ahead and fill the rest of the bottle up with almond oil. And then you're just gonna put this on, give it a shake, apply the label, and that's it. You have an easy do-it-yourself gift for Father's Day or any special day for one of your guys, and that's beard oil. All right, hope this helps. Let me know how yours turns out.